you. I'm talking about the stars of the show. Let us welcome them by clapping your hands. Come on, everybody, clapping your hands. And not forgetting also to welcome my brother. His name is ID.
Hello everybody, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Three Park Bird Show. One more time, my name is Sid and you are?
I'm DJ Cam.
Alright, that one is the second largest parrot in the world. It comes from Australia. Now get ready because it's time to raise the UAE flag. Everybody roll your camera.
The fourth largest parrots in the world. His name is...
Please welcome Superman Thunder. He's gonna raise the UAE flag. Respect for the pride. Respect for Baba Zayed. Everybody, Sapulo, come on. That's your hands. One more boy, keep going. Pull it out. Pull it out.
Yes, salam.
We respect the UAE flag all the way in His Highness, bless him with lots of blessings. Now, today's topic is all about celebration. TJ,
Yeah.
before we call the birds outside, you tell all my friends over here what is celebration for you.
Celebration.
Yeah.
Well, it's like birthdays and anniversary.
That's it.
Yes.
You know, celebration for me, it's all about food, it's all about dancing in our house.
No doubt. Look at your tummy.
No, they said I said it's liver. Everybody call the dancing birds in the house. Come on up.
So you love eating and dancing, huh?
Oh yeah, all the time.
Wow, look at this move.
You like it, huh?
Yes, the moves of MJ. Michael Joshua.
Shake it, shake it, shake it. Ronnie, he's resting good, yeah?
Okay, hold on. Kids, guys, what can you say about their dancing? Are they dancing good? Yes, of course, bravo.
Okay, they are dancing good, but friends, I can dance better than them.
So you are really a good dancer, bro.
Better than them.
You know what, bro? Show your talent. Come on.
Alright, I'm gonna do some dancing. Get the music, let's go. Watch me. Alright?
You know what, bro? Hey, you better stop dancing because they are laughing at you.
Coco, what happened? You like my dancing? It's good?
He said no.
No. Jackie, you like my dancing? She's not even looking at me. Okay, let's do dancing once. Clap it up, everybody. Come on, give it up for the birds. To you. Fantastic. We will send the Africans all the way in the house to pocket. African's great parrot will show you how clever he is. Watch out.
The African gray parrot, considered as one of the most talented birds in the animal kingdom. That's why he can shoot like the invades of the stars, and here comes the blue jay. He can solve the puzzle with different shape and different colors. We start with the yellow. What is yellow for you, bro?
Mango.
And do you believe in love?
Of course, yes.
That is the colors of love. And how about blue?
It's a blueberry.
And how about the colors of green?
It's this color surrounding avocado.
That's right. What do you think about the rings? How many seconds?
5,
Thumbs up.
4, 3, 2, ya salam. Give it up for him, everybody. Clap like a Costco. Now get ready because I'm going to call many of you down one by one to come and catch the birds in your hand. Alright, the next bird coming up is one of the most amazing birds. People, whenever they see this bird, first thing they say is, mashallah, they are so amazing. They are two brother and sister twins. They will come now, they come from the country Brazil. Is there any twins out there? Anybody's twins? Are you guys twins? Oh, you look like twins, just like me and DJ, we are also
Yes.
twins.
From the grandmother's side.
Yeah. Alright, everybody, let's welcome the two lovely birds. They are called the toucans from the movie Rio.
Rio and Ria.
Alright, look at me because I'm going to pick up some of you now to come and catch the birds in your hand. You will put the food in your hand. The bird is going to fly down to your hand just like this. We will feed the bird the berries. You close your hand. It's a sign for the birds to fly back to daddy, back to mommy. Alright, we need 2 people to come and feed the bird. Who wants to try? Baba, Tal. No, big people. Yeah, come, please be part of a family. Take surah. Take some picture if you want. Keep it up. Raise your right hand. Yeah, stand on top. Oh, too much up. Raise your right hand. right hand. Yes, keep smiling. You're gonna put some food. Keep it straight. We're gonna try a little higher, alright? Let's go for it. Come on up. Yes, salam. Fantastic. Look, he likes you. Close your hand. Keep smiling. That's a good job. Go back to daddy. Love in the house. Fantastic.
One more, bro.
Yeah,
Mommy.
Thank you, mom.
From that side.
Who?
Mommy.
Yeah, he's become the
Yeah.
And up and raise the right hand. Keep smiling. Ready? Alright, steady on that. Let's go.
Charan.
Steady on that. Alright, close your hand, keep it smiling. That's real. Thank you, brother. We appreciate it. Everybody, let's say bye-bye to them. Thank you for joining for fun. Rio and Ria. Bye-bye. Now, we will call two best friends. One is going to fly this side. One will fly that side.
Come. Where is your friend?
Friend is coming, but before the friend comes out, remember that we're going to play a very fair match today. No cheating, okay?
Okay. Why? Is there any rules?
Rule is whoever comes last will be the winner.
So which color are you going to sport with?
Okay, today I will play white team.
Okay.
You?
The loser.
Okay. Who wants the
Green.
Who wants white team? Hands up, my team white. 3, 4.
I always play with my wife.
Green team. Alright, 1, 2, go.
Yes. So whoever comes first is the winner.
Or who comes last is the winner.
One bro, what rule is that?
It's from the Olympic.
Okay.
You're gonna come last. Yes! Alright, you're the winners. Friends, tell me which one is the boy, which one is the girl? Boy is the green baba. White is the boy. Other boy. Okay, green boy. White is the boy. Daddy. Green is the girl. White is boy. Yes. I am boy. White is the boy. Alright, there you go. Bro,
Yes.
I want to tell all of them who's the girl and who's the boy.
Hold on, let me check. They are both girls.
What?
Yes.
Who's girls?
The trainers. The trainers are girls.
If you stop doing all the algebra. Alright, my friends, always remember how to find out the boy and the girl. Very simple. Boys are always more handsome than the girls.
I don't believe. You can ask them.
You don't believe me?
No.
Okay, how many of you are married over here? Put your hands up. All the married people. Wow, bless you. Put your hands down. How many husbands sitting here, you think you are better than your wife? Show me your hands up.
Be careful.
He's saying someone else. Let's say bye-bye. Thank you. Daddy's looking mommy's around. You know, we are just family over here. Now is all that we. Now, we will call a bird who's going to come to scribble some coloring. Kids, get ready. Yes, I'm going to call you down to catch some birds. This bird is a boy. He is only 1.5 years old. He's a lovely boy. He was born inside that house there. His name is Mr. John Picasso.
Mr. John Picasso is a white crest cockatoo, and some says it is a white angel. Yes, Almalaco Avian. They are famous in Indonesia, Papua New Guinea, and Australia, and they live in a very big groups. They really love to eat some fruits like watermelon, also love to eat some seeds, nuts, and berries. But today he is using 4 different colors, which is red, blue, green, and yellow. Bro,
Yeah?
could you please take a look? What do you say on this painting? What does it look like for you?
What does it look like? If you ask me to take imagination, I think he's trying to make a butterfly.
Farasia.
Yes.
Wow, so why don't you ask them? Ask the little ones.
Friends, kids, I think it's a butterfly. I want you to guess what is that. Yes. What does it look like? Anything. I said butterfly, something else. Try something different.
Bro, the little girl up.
Yes. It looks like butterfly. I said butterfly, something else. 3, alright. A falcon. Mashallah, that's a good answer.
Falcon. The national birds of UAE. Falcon. Yeah.
Maybe a rainbow, alright. A rainbow is good also. Anything, brother. What does it look like? Anything, take a guess. Brother. Huh? Like me. He says, looks like me.
That little boy, bro.
Yes. Oh, chicken shawarma? A car. It looks like Baba's car. No, it's a butterfly.
May I take a look, bro?
You say, look, it's a butterfly, right?
No. This is the fruit that I always eat every day.
It's a fruit.
Yes. Super delicious fruits.
Hey, which fruit looks like this?
Fruit salad.
Fruit salad.
Yes. That's my friend.
John, is it fruit salad? He said no, because it's farasha, butterfly.
No.
No. Is this a birdie? A bird? Is it Baba's car?
No.
Big no. Is it falcon?
No.
The baby says looks like me. Is this my face?
It's your face, bro.
I look like this.
What to do? He's the artist, bro.
I look like this, friends.
Yes.
Who said yes will not go outside? Twins, huh? Okay, we're gonna print the painting and give it to one of you. Whoever takes the painting home, after the show, you will come down and take a family picture with the word Surah Matiyur. It's only a gift, 100 dirham with the picture and the painting after the show. If you would love to take it up, you can still ask me. We're gonna frame it for you and give it to you. Thank you, John. Let's rock and roll. The third largest parrot in the world, we call it the golden blue macaw. The largest macaw in the world is called the hyacinth. There were 16, but today the kid said, I look like one of the bird also. Bravo. Everybody, come on, give it up for the third largest parrot. Now, we need 2 people to come and help me for the Big Magic Show. Who did not get a chance? 1, 2, let's go. Hold it like this. Yeah. Look, the bird is matching your shirt color. Oh, fantastic skill. That's amazing. Where's the clapping? Come on, give it up for the kids. Yeah. Okay.